Careful with that one, it's huge.
All right, let's move this crate. It's a heavy one. Easy now, slightly left, straight ahead. Okay, lift it up.
Bring it straight in. Careful with that top crate.
Pallet 7, clear for shipment. Copy that, moving in.
Steady now, bring it back just a foot. Okay, that's good, we're aligned.
The journey begins as fresh pomegranates arrive at the processing facility, carefully transported for industrial handling. Each crate is unloaded with controlled precision to preserve the fruit's natural quality. At the first inspection stage, every pomegranate is evaluated for size, texture, and surface integrity. Before entering the core production area, all personnel undergo strict sanitization protocols. The production line activates, initiating a continuous flow of raw materials through the system. As the system comes alive, heavy industrial machines begin their warm-up cycle, building pressure and synchronizing movement across the entire production line. High-resolution optical sensors are precisely calibrated, enabling automated detection of surface defects, ripeness levels, and size classification in real time. In parallel, the packaging unit prepares standardized crates, ensuring every container meets structural and hygiene requirements for safe transport. The pomegranates enter the washing system, where high-pressure water jets begin removing surface dust and impurities.
Inside rotating drums, controlled tumbling ensures every fruit is evenly cleaned from all sides.
A secondary purification stage refines the cleaning process, ensuring hygienic standards are fully met. High-speed air tunnels remove excess moisture, preparing the fruit for precise sorting operations. Vibration-based sorting systems begin classifying fruits based on size and weight distribution. Advanced optical systems perform high-speed microscopic evaluation, identifying even minor surface imperfections with industrial-grade precision. Even in an automated system, human expertise ensures that every pomegranate meets strict visual and structural quality benchmarks. Automated robotic systems classify each fruit into standardized quality grades, ensuring uniformity for downstream processing requirements. A final sterilization stage ensures complete hygienic compliance, preparing the fruit for core industrial transformation. With cleaning and grading complete, the system achieves full synchronization, delivering uniformly processed pomegranates into the core production stage. The sorted pomegranates now enter the core processing unit, where transformation begins at industrial scale. Precision cutting systems carefully open each fruit while preserving maximum internal yield. Rotary extraction systems separate pulp and juice with controlled pressure to maintain natural quality.
Advanced separation systems isolate seeds and peel while preserving pure juice streams.
Multi-stage filtration. The freshly extracted juice enters a controlled thermal stabilization system. Continuous laboratory sampling ensures each production batch maintains strict consistency in color, density, and purity standards. High-precision homogenization systems ensure uniform texture and consistency. A fully sealed pipeline system transports processed juice under sterile conditions to the packaging division without any external exposure. The stored juice is carefully released from holding tanks and directed into the sterile filling system under controlled flow conditions. Before filling begins, each container is sterilized using controlled heat and UV treatment to ensure hygiene compliance. High-precision filling systems ensure each bottle receives an exact measured volume of juice. Each bottle is hermetically sealed using torque-controlled capping systems that apply consistent rotational force, ensuring airtight preservation of product freshness. Every sealed bottle undergoes pressure integrity and leak detection testing, where automated systems verify packaging safety before labeling and distribution. Each bottle is labeled and coded with precise product information, ensuring full traceability across the supply chain. Automated alignment systems ensure each bottle meets strict presentation and positioning standards before final grouping. Bottles are grouped into standardized retail packs and sealed using controlled heat shrink systems for secure handling and transport efficiency. Automated palletizing systems structure finished retail packs into standardized shipping units for efficient logistics handling. With packaging complete, finished products are systematically stored in the warehouse and prepared for safe distribution through the supply chain. In the dispatch control center, shipment planning ensures every pallet is assigned to its correct destination and transport schedule.
Final verification ensures that all shipments meet documentation and quality compliance before dispatch approval.